morning, yogis, and welcome to this quick full body morning stretch and flow. We're going to begin today seated on the floor. You can bring one leg in and then the other. Sit up nice and tall. Take a deep breath. Sigh it out. And then let's interlace the fingers. Send both palms forward in front of you and then up. Inhale. Spine nice and long. And then exhale, lean to the right. Inhale up, back to center. And then exhale, lean to the left. Inhale, back up. And then exhale, just twist your torso towards the left. Just slightly. On an inhale, bring it back to center. And then exhale, twist your torso slightly to the right. And then back to center. One more inhale. Reach the arms up, up, up. And then exhale, float everything down. Hands come to your knees. Inhale, send the chest forward. You can slightly look up. And then exhale, bring the chin in. Round your back. Inhale, send the chest forward. Look up. Exhale, round. And just do a few more of these in your own time. And try to sync it up with your breath. So inhaling as you move the chest forward, exhaling as you come back. And no need to rush, take your time with it. Great, one more wherever you're at. And then sit up. Go ahead and take both legs, turn to face the front of your mat, but still sitting on your bottom. Or if you're already facing the front of your mat, then perfect. Take both soles of the feet in front of you, knees bent, hands come just a little bit behind the hips, and then lean the torso back in space. If you are comfortable here and want to take it further, lift up one foot and then the other so that your shins are parallel to the floor. And again, welcome to stay here, or you can grab either the back of your legs here, the back of your thighs, or even send one arm out and then the other to the sides of your legs. Nice and strong. We're starting with core today. And then if you want to have some fun with it, maybe spark a little creativity into your morning, try lifting one leg or straightening one leg, coming back down, and then straightening the other. And coming back down. Try one more time with me if you're doing this with me. Straighten one leg, come down, and then the other, come down. Great job. Go ahead and lower. Very nice. Soles to the floor, back where they were. Take the hands just a little bit further behind you, just a little bit. And then come to lift the hips up, press away from the ground, lift the shoulders up, look up. And then slowly lower down. Great. Straighten your right leg, flex that foot. And keep the left knee bent. Go ahead and wrap your right arm around that left leg. Left fingertips behind you for a little twist. And then slowly untwist. Take this left knee and just flatten it down or press it out to the side so that your left sole is now facing the inside of your right leg. Inhale, send both hands up, and exhale, fold forward. So however forward is most comfortable for you, as long as you can keep a nice long back here. Great, and then use your hands to walk your torso back up. Plant those soles back where they were. Take both hands back behind you again, and inhale, lift everything up, lift the hips up, lift the shoulders, back to that reverse tabletop, look up. Nice and strong, you got it. And then lower back down. This time, straighten the left leg. Keep the right leg bent, and then go ahead and wrap that left arm around it, right fingertips behind you. And you can look back. Slowly untwist. Take this left knee out to the side so that your right sole, did I say left knee? Right knee out to the side. And then so that your right sole is facing your left leg. Inhale, both hands up, and slowly fold down. With every inhale, you can find some more length in the spine, and with every exhale, you can fold maybe just a little bit deeper. Use your fingertips to walk your torso back up. Plant both soles once again, and just help yourself up, lift up the hips, come to a forward fold near the top of your mat. So you can keep a little bend in the knees here if you need to. That is okay. Go ahead and walk both fingertips to the right. And then walk both fingertips to the left. And then back to center. If you want to straighten, you can straighten your legs as well. Grab opposite elbows and find a little sway. Gently release. Inhale, come up halfway so that your spine's parallel to the ceiling. Hands come to shins. Exhale, fold. Back down. Little bend in the knees. Inhale, come all the way up. Fingertips all the way down, around and up. Up above you, palms come to touch. Exhale, palms at the heart. In prayer. Little bend in the knees again. Fingertips all the way down, around and up. Inhale, exhale, fold it down. Plant both palms shoulder width apart, fingers spread wide. Step one foot back and then the other for plank. And we're gonna stay in this nice strong plank just for a moment. So breathe, find your point of focus. Again, waking up our body. Energizing it, waking up the core for 3, 2, and 1. Drop the knees, uncurl the toes, shift forward for chaturanga. Lean down, elbows in. Inhale, baby cobra, lift up the chest. Exhale, fold back down. And then lift up to a tabletop position. So find your neutral tabletop. And then take the right leg back. So right toes behind you. Stretch out that right leg. And then take that right foot out to the left in space. And then you're just gonna look towards those toes or look towards the left. To find a nice side body stretch. And then come back to bring them where they were. And then take that left foot, right foot, oh my gosh, up to the front. In between your hands, step it in between. Inhale, both hands come up, low lunge. Squeeze those inner thighs together, nice and engaged. Lower down through the tailbone. And then on an exhale, bring that left hand down to the floor and just open up to the right. And then if you want to go for the quad stretch, you can go ahead and lift up that back foot, reach for it. If you can reach your foot, inhale just to open up the shoulder first, look up. And then slowly exhale, draw that foot into the hips. Try to make sure that your front knee stays over your ankle. Gently release, come all the way back to the front in that low lunge, and then just send that right leg back to tabletop where we started. Go ahead and take the left foot back this time, stretch it out first, and then send it out to the right side of you. Slowly look back at that foot, looking to the right. And then send it back and all the way, step it up in between both of your hands. So your left foot is up at the front this time. Inhale, send both hands up, low lunge. Again, active legs, inner thighs are squeezed towards one another. Lengthen down towards the floor, hips towards the floor. Inhale. And then exhale, drop the right hand, open up on the next inhale towards the left side of you. And then if you want to go for the quad stretch on this side as well, if you did on the other side, go ahead and lift up the back toes, reach for that foot, open up, one more inhale just to open up the shoulder first, and then exhale, squeeze that foot into the hips. If you need to come up on fingertips too on this right hand, sometimes that helps as well. Or even a block. Great, gently release. Come all the way back to your tabletop position. And then bring both toes to touch. Knees out wide, And walk both hands forward to come to a child's pose. Let yourself relax in this moment. This could be a beautiful spot to set an intention for your day. And congratulate yourself for making it to the mat today. Feel free to stay here for as long as you need. This is where we are ending our class today. If you want to come back up with me, use your fingertips to slowly press you back up. Let's all take one deep cleansing breath together. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth, shoulders relaxed. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed yourself in this short practice, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I upload new videos every single week, so make sure to also ring the bell so that you never miss another one. My goal for this year is to reach 10,000 subscribers. I would absolutely love to have you as a part of the family. Namaste, and I'll see you in the next one.